Previously on Samvad Voice.
Dharma is not a feeling, it is a conscious action that sustains the self. But who are you? Are you the body, the mind, or a collective being with collective consciousness? Let's break it down. Consider a human body, which is an organization of cells, each functioning independently to sustain itself and the overall body. Cells don't know about the human, they function independently and their functions vary. Yet, together, they sustain the body. Am I saying that we are part of a larger body? Not exactly. The understanding is that we all share one prana, and there is only one thing, Advaita, no second thing. We are all expressions of the same energy in various forms, some living, some non-living. The world is a play of gunas, specifically the Trigunas, sattva, rajas, and tamas. Let's zoom out a bit. Long ago there was nothing, not even nothing can be defined in that state. Then Chit Shakti, the supreme consciousness or Purusha or Parama Shiva, emerged from that state. Adya, the Adi Shakti, appeared as Prakriti or Parashakti in the presence of that Purusha. Adya remains mysterious, while Shakti is just a small expression of Adya. Even the gods have no full understanding of Adya. When Shiva and Shakti came together, Shakti, in excitement, manifested everything we see today, the creation. Imagine seeing $1 billion. Your mind would produce countless thoughts from that happiness. Those thoughts are rooted in Shakti, with Lakshmi being the Shakti in this case. Shiva and Shakti are one Parabrahma, but manifested into duality, which then created all the dualities we observe in the world. Shiva is Nirguna, without attributes. Shakti, in the presence of Shiva, manifests attributes, with the Trigunas being the first of them. What are these Trigunas, and how are they linked to Dharma? Let's discuss this further in our next episode. Namaskaram.